Hi there and welcome back to LP Maths. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be drawing the equation of a straight line from a table. And this is something you can be asked in National 4, to take a table like the one we have in the example we're going to do and draw the line. So what we're going to do first of all is tell you how to complete the table. To complete the table, really simple. We're going to substitute the x value into the formula for the table and this will give us the y value. Okay, so for example, I'm going to do this question here that you can see. So part A, when x is equal to 2. Okay, so I'm working now with this character here. So y is equal to 2x. In place of x, we're putting 2. Now there's an invisible sign here. That invisible sign is multiply. So what we get is 2 multiplied by 2, and our y value is 4. And I can now put that in to our table. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same for when x equals 3. When x equals 3, y is equal to 2x, remembering that's a multiplying. So it's 2 multiplied by the x value, which is 3, and that is 6. So now we're going to draw the line out using our table. So once the table is completed, the x and y values form a coordinate, and you can see that from the columns. So I'm going to point out one of the points here. We've got the point 1, 2. So I'm just going to plot that just now. I'll go along 1, up 2. And I'm actually just going to write the point in just so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go 2, up 4. So there's the point 2, 4. And then I've got 3, 6. So along 1 again and up 2. That is 3, 6. And then we can fill in the line. And hopefully this is going to work. I might have to rearrange it. But you can see the overall, just the line goes through all of the coordinate points that we have made. And just the last one, it's identifying M and C from the line. You actually don't need the table to do this. We know that the line is equal to 2x. Underneath, all you need to do is put in the standard form. So standard form is y is equal to mx plus c. And then we can just match it up. So we can see that we have 2 and we have m, so therefore m is equal to 2. And then c, there's nothing above c, so c is equal to 0. So to finish off, we're just going to do the example here. I'll just lift it up so you can actually see it. So our line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. I'm just keeping that there so I can see it whilst I'm doing my example. So at x is equal to 2, what we have is y is equal to 3 times 2 plus 2. That is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So we've got the point 28. And at 3, at x equals 3, y is equal to 3 times 3 plus 2. That is 9 plus 2, which is 11. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that line. So I need to draw quite a big axis here. I need to go all the way to 11. That should do it. Don't know how many boxes that is exactly, doesn't matter. Right, so we've got the point 1, 5 to start us off. So I'm going to do 1, 5, which is here. The next point we're doing is 2, 8, 2, 8. So 2 and then up here is 2, 8. And 3, 11, which will be here. Last thing I need to do is to draw a connecting line between all of these points. I will do that just now. And what I would advise you do in questions like these is just go a wee bit beyond your first and your last point that you've specified, because lines do go on infinitely. There we are. So that is your line y is equal to 3x plus 2. I'm just going to label the axes. It's really clear. And the two last questions are basically saying, okay, what is the gradient? So remember what we said the last time. We know that y is equal to 3x plus 2. And we know the standard form of an equation is y is equal to mx plus c. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a wee circle round the things that will match up. So I've got 3 matching up with M, and I've got +2 matching up with C. So we know that M, our gradient, is equal to 3, and C, our y-intercept, is 2. Anyway, if that was useful, please subscribe to my channel, LP Maths, and I'll see you again soon for the next video.